How would you like the idea of typing a few names on your keyboard and getting anywhere from 100 to 500 USD dollars for the names you type in? Sounds good? This is what I'm going to show you guys today, how you can win from 100 to 500 USD dollars by just typing a few names on your keyboards. Very easy, no experience needed, free to start, and you're going to love this way. Before we go ahead and start this video, and I'm going to talk a little bit on how you can do this and all the tricks, stick with me all the way down to the end because I'm going to show you a small trick on how to use on this site. Make sure you keep the subscribe button following on the right side of this video in order to become a member of my channel. It would be an amazing and great honor, guys, for me to have you on my channel because I learn a lot from you as well. I get your comments and I learn a lot from you as well. So make sure you click the subscribe button and also the bell notification next to it so you can get a notification from the videos I release every single day on how you can make passive income from the comfort of your house. So with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start the video today. The website I'm talking about is called namingforce.com. All the links for the video is going to be listed on the description so you can get everything from there. And what namingforce.com is all about is it's a business name contest that will give you a great name for a website, for a company, for if somebody's starting something new like an app, a company and so on, they're looking for a name. They come to namingforce.com and they give a little bit of information about the company they would like to start the app and so on. And they will put this description down to the namers, where we will be namers. We will become a namer, and I will show you a little bit in a second. They start a contest, and then more than 1,000 names they're able to choose from the namers. The different names are submitted from the namers, and they choose which one better subscribe or which one they like the best for their company or for their app and so on. So this is it. And how it works, guys, as you can see, if you scroll down, almost 4,300 businesses are named through this website. You see, in step 1, 7 days, the world's most creative namers submit business name suggestion on your contest. Our team creates brilliant names for your startup. Step 2, our in-house market research ranks the name submissions from top to bottom. You deliver a list of names with the very best names at the top. And step 3, you are ranked name list with both trademark and domain name availability is delivered. You pick up a winning name and we pay the naming contest award. Simple as that, guys. 3 small steps and you are able to get paid straight to your PayPal account if you are the one having the winning name. How you going to become a namer, guys? You come on the top, click where it says become a namer. Very easy. You have to be 18 years old, US and Canadian citizen, 18 years or older only. You put your information here, agree to the terms, register, and you submit. Because I know a few questions going to come from people here, if it's going to be available for any other countries except US and Canada. At the moment it's not, so I'm pretty sure, because I was in communication with them for something else, they will be opening to a few other European countries shortly, so stay tuned. You can always follow the frequently asked questions here to see which country is going to be available. So this is what I want to show you guys today. You can come here and see which contents are still open, and you can see how it's getting paid. So active name contest, and the winning price is 250, 250, 100, and so on. And as an example, apartment building owner of a large apartment building of 100 to 400 units, and they're looking for a name, meet alternative pending with light, and so on. So you're gonna be putting your information, you're gonna be putting the name you want to suggest, and from there on, guys, if your name is gonna be the winning one, you'll be getting 250 or 100 and so on. And you can, don't forget that you can apply to as many contests as you want. Yeah. So this is, guys, this is what I want to show you guys today. A very nice, easy site to use just by typing a few names on your keyboard, and if you have the winning name, you can get anywhere from 100 to 500 USD dollars just doing that. I know it's not going to be available for all the countries just yet, or it's going to be a limitation on the contest on how much you win in order to make some money, but it's a great site, so you can give it a shot and see how it works out for you. But if you are from anywhere around the world, or even still if you want to make some more money, if you want to make passive income from the comfort of your house, as always, click my #1 description below so you can see my #1 way to make passive income from the comfort of your house. Even when you sleep, money comes in. When you are out having fun, money comes in. My #1 best way, tested from all the videos. I'm showing you my best option on how you can make money. It's free, it's tested, it's working. It changed my life, it can change yours. Video with explanation is there, so just click the #1 description below. Start, watch the video, follow. Nothing to lose, only to win. Start making some money, guys. Thank you. I hope you like the content of this video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.